Want to navigate Waze like a pro and make your trips more efficient? In this video, I'll show you how to use Waze smarter for faster and easier travel. First, open Waze and enter your destination. Before starting navigation, tap routes to compare the available routes and check estimated travel times. Choose the route that works best for your trip, then tap Go. While driving, pay attention to Waze traffic updates and alerts. Waze can automatically adjust your route when traffic conditions change, helping you avoid delays and road problems. You can also add a stop during your trip by searching for another location and adding it to your route. For regular destinations, save important places so you can access them quickly without searching every time. To make navigation easier, customize your voice, sound, map display, and route preferences in Waze settings. And that's how to navigate Waze like a pro for more efficient travel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.